Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing good. So, today we will be discussing about the product of OK Life Care, which is i3. Before moving further, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, what is i3? i3 is a body wellness product. i3 helps an immunomodulator, fights infection, and manage vata, pitta, and kapha. Our body's immune system serves as a defense mechanism that protects us from infections and diseases by attacking and destroying pathogens like germs, viruses, bacteria, and parasites. But these days, our body is under constant assault from various factors such as stress, poor diet, inadequate sleep, and neglecting protein-rich food that gradually makes our immune system weak. Moreover, a low immune system makes our body prone to frequent infections and also contributes to various lifestyle disorders. Our premium formulation i3 helps to cope up with your body against infections, inflammation, and also strengthens the immune system. i3 is a super herbopharmaceutical formulation that contains a blend of selected potent ingredients known for their role in boosting immunity and antioxidant effects that help to prevent infections and slowing the aging process. It helps to strengthen the immune response towards illness and infection and offers relief from cold, flu, and other respiratory infections. It is recommended to be taken regularly to build the body strong for lifestyle, seasonal, climatic, and environmental changes, because building a strong immunity is not an overnight process. This health supplement also helps in rejuvenation and the natural detoxification effect. So, if you are enjoying today's video, do hit the bell icon. Now, we will be discussing some key benefits of i3, which are curcumin, a compound found in turmeric that is reported to give some beneficial effects in arthritis, allergy, atherosclerosis, heart disorder, Alzheimer's disorder, diabetes, due to its ability to modulate the immune system. It contains seabuckthon extract that is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, which help to protect the body against viral and bacterial infections, boost energy levels and vitality. It helps to maintain your health and shortens the duration of your cold and flu. It reduces the occurrence of illness and premature degeneration of body cells. It helps to improve healthy liver functioning, circulation, and blood flow. It helps to improve overall systemic balance and cellular health. So, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Do like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So, see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.